Enhance a picture in the Office apps by giving it a different shape. First, select the image. Then, select the Picture Tools Format tab and select Crop, Crop to Shape. This opens a gallery where you choose a shape for your image. Select the shape you want to crop to. We'll select Oval. And your Office app automatically crops to it. You can also apply a border to your picture. From the Picture Tools Format tab, select Picture Border. Select a color for your border, or select a weight to make your border more visible. If you'd like more formatting options, add one of the picture styles. Make sure your photo is selected and then select More to open the Picture Styles gallery. Here you have different styles, colors, and effects. We'll select a simple white frame. Now select Crop, Crop to Shape, and then select a shape to get a quick, elaborate style for your picture.